Hello students, welcome to our 10th Maths class. In the previous class, we have seen about the solution of example problems. Today, in this video, we are going to learn the solution of exercise 5.1 problems. Let us see the exercise 5.1 third sum. Vertices of triangle taken in order. Vertices of triangle taken in order and their areas are provided aside. In each case, find the value of P. See the second subdivision. The given points are P, P, 5, 6 and 5, minus 2 and the area is 32 square units. In this question, the vertices of triangle and area also given. We have to find the value of P. First you draw the diagram and mark the given. First you take down and write the given. Let A, P, P and B 5, 6 and C 5, minus 2. The area of triangle ABC equal to 32 square units. Write the formula in column wise. Half into P, A point P, P, B point 5, 6, C point 5, minus 2 and again you write the A point P, P equal to 32. So now you multiply from top to bottom. Then we get P into 6, 6P, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 5 into P plus 5P minus of. Now you multiply from bottom to top. Then we get P into 5, 5P, 6 into 5 plus 30, minus 2 into P minus 2P is equal to, this 2 you transpose after the equal means it becomes multiply. Now you simplify, this means we get 6P plus 5P, 11P minus 10 minus of 5P minus 2P plus 3P plus 30 equal to 64. Now you remove the bracket, means we get 11P minus 10 minus 3P minus 30 equal to 64. Now you simplify the like term. 11P minus 3P we get 8P minus 10 minus 30 minus 40 equal to 64. Then 8P equal to 64 plus 40. Now P equal to 64 plus 40 we get 104 divided by 8. By cancelling 8 means we get 1 8 is 8, remaining 2 24, then 3 8s are 24. It is 13. Therefore, the value of P is 13. Hence, the value of P is equal to 13. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the fourth question, second subdivision. See the question. In each of the following find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. In this question, the given points are collinear is given. We have to find the value of A. If it is collinear means the area of the triangle is equal to 0. See the solution. First you take down and write the given points. Let a comma 2 minus 2a, b minus a plus 1 comma 2a, and c minus 4 minus a comma 6 minus 2a. The area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Since the given points are collinear, therefore the area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Now you write the formula: half into a point a2 minus 2a, b point minus a plus 1 2a, c point minus 4 minus a 6 minus 2a. Then again you write a point a2 minus 2a equal to 0. Now you have to multiply from top to bottom. Then we get a into 2a, 2a square, then minus a into 6 minus 6a, minus a into minus 2a plus 2a square, plus 1 into 6 plus 6, plus 1 into minus 2a minus 2a. Then minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 2a plus 8a, minus a into 2 minus 2a, minus a into minus 2a plus 2a squared, minus of. Now you have to multiply from bottom to top. Then we get minus of 2 into minus a minus 2a, 2 into plus 1 plus 2, minus 2a into minus a plus 2a squared, then minus 2a into plus 1 minus 2a. 2a into minus 4 we get minus 8a, then 2a into minus a minus 2a squared. Now a into 6 is 6a, minus 2a into a minus 2a squared is equal to, transpose this 2 after the equal means it becomes multiply. Now you simplify this means we get 2a squared plus 2a squared, then plus 2a squared, that is 6a squared, then minus 6a minus 2a plus 8a, minus 6a minus 2a, add means we get minus 8a, then plus 8a, minus 8a and plus 8a cancel. Then remaining a term is minus 2a, that one you take down and write. Now you have to simplify the constant term. Plus 6 minus 8 we get minus 2. Then minus of, now you simplify inside the bracket term, that is plus 2a squared minus 2a squared cancel and get 0. Then the remaining a squared term is minus 2a squared. Now you have to simplify the a term, minus 2a minus 2a minus 8a. Add this means we get minus 12a plus 6a is minus 6a. Then constant term plus 2. is equal to 0 into 2, 0. Okay, now remove this bracket means we get 6a square minus 2a minus 2 minus into minus plus 2a square minus into minus plus 6a then minus into plus minus 2 equal to 0. Now again you simplify the like term. 6a square plus 2a squared we get 8a square minus 2a plus 6a plus 4a minus 2 we get minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 4 is a common factor. So you take out 4 means we get 4 into 2a squared plus a minus 1 equal to 0. Then transpose this 4 after the equal means it becomes division form. Therefore, 2a squared plus a minus 1 equal to 0 divided by 4 we get 0. Now we get a quadratic equation. Then you apply T method and find the factors of this equation. That is 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then coefficient of a term is 1. Then what is the factor for minus 2 and 1? Yes, minus 1 plus 2. Multiply means we get minus 2, add means we get a plus 1 divided by 2. Because here coefficient of a squared is 2. So divided by 2 means we get 2a minus 1 one factor and a plus 1 is another factor. So now 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 2. Then a plus 1 equal to 0, therefore a equal to minus 1. Hence, the values of a is minus 1, 1 by 2. This is the answer for this question. Now, see the 7th question. If the points A minus 3, 9, B, A, B and C, 4, minus 5 are collinear, if A plus B equal to 1, then find A and B. In this question, the points A, B, C are collinear. Then means the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. Here we have to find the value of A and B. In solution, first you take down and write the given points A, B, C. Since the points A, B, C are collinear, therefore area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Now you have to apply the formula half into A point minus 3, 9, B point A, B, C point 4 minus 5. Then again you write A point minus 3, 9 is equal to 0. Now you have to multiply from top to bottom. We get minus 3 into B minus 3B, A into minus 5 minus 5A, 4 into 9 plus 36 minus of. Now you have to multiply from bottom to top. Means we get 9 into A, 9A plus B into 4 plus 4B minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15 is equal to 0. Now you simplify this means we get minus 3b minus 5a plus 36 is a different term. So you write as it is minus 3b minus 5a plus 36. Now you multiply this minus and remove the bracket means we get minus 9a minus 4b minus 15 is equal to 0. Now add the like term means we get minus 14a minus 7b plus 21. Here 7 is a common factor. So take out minus 7, we get plus 2a plus b minus 3 equal to 0. Now you multiply and check whether you get the previous steps. Minus 7 into 2, minus 14a, minus 7 into b, minus 7b, minus 7 into minus 3 plus 21 equal to 0. Now 2a plus b minus 3 equal to 0. This minus 7 transpose after the equal means it becomes division formation, then 0 divided by minus 7 we get 0. Now 2a plus b equal to transpose this minus 3 after the equal means it becomes plus 3. You keep this equation number 1. Next you take down and write the given equation a plus b equal to 1. This one you keep second equation. Now you have to solve this two equation means we get the answer for a and b. See first equation 2a plus b equal to 3. Second equation a plus b equal to 1. Subtract this two equation means we get 2a minus 1a plus 1a plus b minus b cancel and get 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then the value of a equal to 2. Now substitute a equal to 2 in second equation. Then we get 2 plus b equal to 1. Therefore b equal to 1 minus 2. Then the value of b is minus 1. Hence the answer is a equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the 8th sum. See the question. Let P 11,7, Q 13.5, 4 and R 9.5, 4 be the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Hence find the area of triangle ABC and compare this with the area of triangle PQR. See in this question, the vertices of triangle PQR is given. These points are midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC of triangle ABC are given. In this question, first we have to find the vertices of A, B, C and we have to find the area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given solution. PQR are the midpoint of the sides of a triangle ABC. Let the vertices of triangle ABC be A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Okay, now what is the formula for midpoint? Yes, m x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here in this question, P is the midpoint of AB. Here P 11 comma 7 is the midpoint of the line AB. Now you apply the midpoint formula, means we get x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 11 comma 7. Now comparing x and y coordinate, we get x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 11 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 7. Now you multiply this, means we get x1 plus x2 equal to 22. Then y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. Keep this one is the first equation and this one is the second equation. The next step, Q 13.5 comma 4 is the midpoint of the line, midpoint of the line BC. Now you apply the midpoint formula, means we get x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 13.5 comma 4. Now comparing the coordinate, means we get x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 13.5. Then y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. Now, you have to cross multiply, means we get x2 plus x3 is equal to 13.5 into 2. We get 27.0, that is 27. Then y2 plus y3, this one cross multiply, means 4 2s are 8. So this equation you keep third equation and this one you keep fourth equation. Now the next step is or 9.5 comma 4 is the midpoint of the line AC. For applying midpoint formula, we get x1 plus x3 by 2, comma y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 9.5, comma 4. Now comparing the coordinates, we get x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 9.5. Then y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. Now you cross multiply, this means we get x1 plus x3 is equal to 9.5 into 2, we get 19.0. You write 19. Then y1 plus y3 is equal to 4 into 2, we get 8. Then this one you keep equation number 5. Then this one you keep equation number 6. Now you have to add the odd numbers equation, means we get, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is first equation, third equation and fifth equation adding means we get 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 22 plus 27 plus 90. Now you simplify, this means we get, take out 2 because 2 is common here. So take out 2 means we get 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to, add this 3 number, 22 plus 27 plus 90 is equal to 68. Now x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 68 by 2, we get 34. By using this equation, we have to find the x coordinates. See, by the first equation, we know that x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. Therefore, x1 plus x2, 22 plus x3 is equal to 34. Now you simplify, this means x3 is equal to 34 minus 22. We get the answer x3 is equal to 12. By the third equation, we have x2 plus x3 is equal to 27. Therefore, x1 plus 27 equal to 34. Then x1 equal to 34 minus 27. We get x1 equal to 7. Next, by the fifth equation, we have x1 plus x3 is equal to 19. Therefore, x2 plus 19 is equal to 34. Is equal to 34. Therefore, x2 is equal to 34 minus 19. We get x2 is equal to 50. Now, we have x coordinate of triangle ABC. Similarly, we have to find the value of y coordinates. Now, adding the even number equation 2 plus 4 plus 6, we get 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 is equal to 14 plus 8 plus 8. Now you take out 2. Here 2 is common. Therefore, 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 3 numbers. We get 14 plus 8 plus 8 means we get 30. Now, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 30 divided by 2, 15. Now, by the second equation, we have y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. Therefore, 14 plus y3 is equal to 15. y3 is equal to 15 minus 14. y3 is equal to 1. The next step, by the fourth equation, we have y2 plus y3 equal to 8. Therefore, y1 plus 8 is equal to 15. Then y1 is equal to 15 minus 8. y1 is equal to 7. By the sixth equation, we have y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. Therefore, y2 plus 8 is equal to 15. y2 is equal to 15 minus 8. Then y2 is equal to 7. Now, we get y coordinate also. Now, the vertices of triangle ABC, AX1 Y1 is equal to X1 7 and Y1 also 7. Therefore, X1 Y1 is equal to 7, 7. Then BX2 Y2. See here, X2 15, y2 7. Therefore, x2 y2 15, 7. Then C x3 y3 is equal to x3 12 and y3 1. Therefore, 12, 1. Now, we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Before that, plot the points in a rough diagram and take in a counterclockwise direction. Therefore, A, B, C. Let A 7, 7, B 12, 1 and C 15, 7. Now, we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half into A.77, B.12 1, C.15 7. Again you write A.77. Now you have to multiply from the top to bottom. Then half into 7 into 1 7 plus 12 into 7 84, 15 into 7 105 minus of, now you have to multiply from bottom to top. Now we get 7 into 12 84 plus 1 into 15 15 plus 7 into 7 49. Now you have to simplify this, means we get half into 7 plus 84 plus 105 196 minus of 84 plus 15 plus 49, we have 148. Again you simplify, means we get half into 196 minus 148 we get 48. Then cancelling this by 2 means we get 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is 24 square units. The area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Finally, we have to find the area of triangle PQR. Take down and write the vertices of PQR: P11, 7, Q 13.5, 4, R 9.5, 4. Now, plot the points in a rough diagram and taken in a counterclockwise direction. Therefore, let P11, 7, Q 9.5, 4, R 13.5, 4. Now, you have to find the area of triangle PQR is half into P.11, 7, Q.9.5, 4, or 13.5, 4. Then again you write P.11, 7. Okay, now you have to multiply this from top to bottom. Then we get half into 11 into 4, 44, plus 9.5 into 4, 38.0, that is 38, plus 13.5 into 7, 94.5, minus of, now you have to multiply from bottom to top. Then we get 7 into 9.5, 66.5, plus 4 into 13.5, 54.0, that is 54, plus 4 into 11, 44. Now you simplify this means we get half into add 44 plus 38 plus 94.5, we get 176.5, minus of add 66.5 plus 54 plus 44 means we get 164.5. Then half into 176.5 minus 164.5, we get 12. Now you cancelling this by 2 means 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. Then the answer is 6 square units. That is, the area of triangle PQR is equal to 6 square units. In previous step, we got the area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Comparing these two areas, we have area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of area of triangle PQR. That means 24 is equal to 4 into 6. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times area of triangle PQR. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, today homework exercise 5.1, third sum first subdivision and fourth sum first subdivision. Do it properly. Thank you.